In today's tutorial, I will show you how to draw this cute kawaii seal step by step. It's super easy and perfect for practicing cute shapes. So let's jump right in. For this tutorial, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. The link in the description below. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you draw this. I would love to see your version. Now let's start. I'll start first by choosing the color that I want to use for sketching, and as you see, I'm using the brown color and my sleek ink brush. I'll set the brush size to 15 and I'll start drawing. For drawing the seal's body, I'll create this curved line and I will complete it. It's just like an oval shape, just like this. I'll add the tail here in this place, and it's just like number 3. I'll try to close the shape just to create the bottom part of the body, and by using the editing tool I will adjust the shape. Here I'll start drawing the head, and it's a very basic shape. It's just like an oval shape, and by using the editing tool I'll try to adjust the size of it just to make it fix the body size or the bottom part of the body. Here I'm using the selection tool to adjust again the head, and as you see I'm resizing it to fit the body. Now I will draw this shape. It's the scarf. I'll draw a normal scarf or the basic shape of the scarf, as you see. And I always prefer to use the editing tool just to adjust the shapes. Now I'll complete drawing the scarf by creating this shape here. On the top of the head, I will draw a beanie just like this. As you see, still drawing curved lines. Here I will draw the bottom part of the beanie. It's just a basic shape, as you see. You can always add any details you want, it's optional. But here I'm just drawing the basic shape. On the top of the beanie, I'll draw a fluffy bow. And now I'll add 2 hands by creating 2 curved lines. And here I will add the eyes. As you see, I'm just drawing them like dash. You can draw them like dots or circles. In the center of the face, I will draw a cute nose and a cute smile, just like this. And I will add here those lines. Now we are done adding all the details for the face. Here I will use the selection tool to make the final adjustments before I move to the next step. Now I will add the ice cream cone, and here I'm drawing this fish because I really love this ice cream. But you can draw the normal shape of the cone, which is that triangle, and adding, for example, 2 or 3 balls on the top. Here I'm drawing the ice cream. I will add an eye to the fish here, and I will draw a few details to complete my sketch. I just want to mention here that I'm creating this ice cream cone on a separate layer because as you see, I will remove the lines here under the ice cream cone, so I don't want to damage all the drawing, and that's why I'm creating every element on a separate layer. It's the easiest way to keep your drawing clear and to keep the drawing easy also. Now I will lower the layers opacity, and I will redraw the sketch again. As you see, I'm just resize the brush's size. I make it smaller, and now I will draw the sketch again just to keep the lines clear. As you see, this step is optional, but I wanted to do it just to create or to refine the sketch line. Now my drawing is ready for the next step, which is coloring. For this step, I will create a new layer under the sketch layer, and I will use this color to color the seal's body. I will increase the brush's size just like this, and I'm still coloring by using my sleek ink brush. I can recommend also the airbrush from Procreate default brushes for this step. Here I will create a small circle in the center of the body by using the light beige. And as you see, I'm doing this on a separate layer. Here I will start coloring the nose by using the brown color. And now I will choose this orange color to color those cute cheeks here. And I'm still drawing on the same layer. I'll use the selection tool to resize the circle here. I want to make it bigger, and I will use the selection tool again to copy the circle and create the second cheeks. Now I will merge those 2 layers together, and I will create a new layer using the turquoise color just to color the beanie here, and I will use the same color for the scarf as well. And as you see, I'm doing this on a separate layer. Now I will choose the beige color to color the top of the beanie. You can choose any colors you like for this step. It's optional, but I like the combination between beige color and turquoise color. Now I will add those cute details on the beanie by adding those small dots, and here I'll create tiny lines for the scarf. Now I'll create a new layer. I will choose this brown color to color the ice cream cone. And here I'm using the lighter tone of brown because I will use the darker one to add details to the cone. Here I'm creating a closed line just to drag and drop the color inside it, and it's the easiest way to color fast. Here I'm using the pink color to color the ice cream, and by using the same technique I just drop the color inside it. Now I will use the darker tone of ice cream to create those details. And here I will add sprinkles to the ice cream by using the darker shade of blue, pink, and beige. Now my drawing is ready for the next step, which is adding shadows. For adding shadows, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to multiply mode, and I will use the Sleek Ink brush for this step. You can always use the grainy texture brush from my brush set. And as you see here, I will use the same colors to shade. For example, here I'm using the same color that I used to color the body for creating shadows, and for the scarf I will use the same turquoise and so on. Once I'm done adding shadows, I lower the layer opacity just to keep the shadows natural, and I'll move to the next step, which is adding highlights. For adding the highlights, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to screen mode, and I will choose the pure white to add highlights. By using the Sleek Ink brush, I will start adding those lines here. I really love this step because it makes the drawing even cuter. Now I'll add the final adjustments for my drawing. For this step, I will add those cute white dots to the eyes just to make them a bit brighter, and for the nose also. Here I copied all the drawing on a separate layer, and I did it by tapping with 4 fingers on the screen, choosing copy all, then I did it again and choosing paste. So I got the drawing on a separate layer. Here I'm using the selection tool to resize the drawing and make it bigger. And now I will do the final adjustments by adjusting the colors, highlights, and shadows. I like this step, and it's really very important because it makes the colors feel more harmonious. So I highly recommend doing this step because it will completely change your drawing. Now I'm done, and I will add those cute hearts here, and I will add a few lines, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you love it, don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.